Good morning, students. I am Raju. I will teach you chemistry. Hope you will be fine at your homes. So today we are going to start our first unit of class 11th chemistry. The name of the unit is some basic concept of chemistry. केमिस्ट्री के अंदर कुछ बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स को हम यहाँ पर स्टडी करेंगे. सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू डिस्कस व्हाट इज केमिस्ट्री. So chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of matter. It means in the chemistry we study all about the matter, its composition, properties and structure of matter. Because everything is related to the matter in our daily life, in industries, in medicines, all things are included in the matter. So chemistry branch of science. Science की एक branch है. Science included three branches mainly. These are physics, chemistry and biology. So branch of science which deals with study all about the matter. Matter which occupy space. Anything which occupy space is known as matter. Matter undergo two types of basic classification. First is physical classification and second is chemical classification. In physical classification, there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. You have studied earlier in lower classes. Solid, which have definite shape, definite volume, and rigid. Rigid means which cannot change their shape when pressure is applied. So solid have definite shape, definite volume, rigid and cannot change their shape when pressure is applied. सेकेंड फिजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन के अकॉर्डिंग जो स्टेट है मैटर की दैट इज लिक्विड. लिक्विड हैव नॉट डेफिनेट शेप बट डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम because they occupy the shape of the container in which they are entered. Next, liquid have the property of fluidity. They can flow. Third is gas. Gas is main characteristics of gases is compressible in nature. Means इनको जब प्रेशर अप्लाई करेंगे तो कंप्रेस हो सकती हैं. एक लार्ज वॉल्यूम को भी ऑक्यूपाई करेंगी और एक स्मॉल वॉल्यूम को भी ऑक्यूपाई. एग्जांपल दैट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ गैसेस सच एज एलपीजी, लिक्विफाइड पेट्रोलियम गैस, इन आवर kitchen. Next is gases not definite shape and not definite volume. So that is the first type of classification, physical classification, in which matter is classified into three states: solid, liquid and gases according to their properties. Second is very important classification. This is known as chemical classification. According to chemical classification, matter divided into two types: pure substances and mixture. Pure substances are those substances which are made up of only one type of particles, yeah, which is made up of only one type of substances, and mixture which is made up of more than one type of substances. Pure substance again classified into two types: elements and compounds. Elements, it is the basic unit of the element is atoms. Same kind of the atom are present in the element, and if different atoms are present then it form the compound. Elements can be again classified into three types: metal, non-metal and metalloid. According to the periodic table, these are three types of the elements are present in the periodic table. According to property, you have studied in 10th class metal. These are malleable, ductile, hard, sonorous. All these are the properties of metal. Example of metal are copper, zinc, gold, iron. All these are the examples of metal. Non-metals, property different from the metals, bromine, carbon, chlorine, iodine. All these are of the example of non-metal. And in metalloids are those elements which show properties of both metal as well as non-metal. Example of metalloid are bismuth, antimony and arsenic. All these are examples of metal, non-metal and metalloids. Okay students, this is all about the elements. Elements are metal, non-metal and metalloid. Now in the chemical classification, pure substance, second type is compound. Compounds are again of two types: organic compounds and inorganic compounds. Compounds can be classified into two types, organic and inorganic compound. Organic compounds are those compounds which are mainly derived from the living things, means which are extracted from the living things. Example of organic compounds such as carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, fat, anything which is derived from the living things, which is called as the organic compound. And in case of the inorganic compound, source is non living things from the earth crust, मतलब अर्थ से इनको क्या है एक्सट्रैक्ट किया गया. Example of the non living things या extracted from earth crust, these are inorganic compound. Example are NaCl. Common names are given here: NaCl, rock salt; Na2CO3 10H2O, that is washing soda; CaCO3, marble or limestone; CaO, quicklime; Na2SO4 10H2O, Glauber's salt. You have to remember all these: CaOH2, slacked lime; CaSO4 2H2O, gypsum; half H2O, plaster of Paris. And plaster of Paris absorb moisture, convert into gypsum. CuSO4 5H2O, which is blue color crystal are formed, blue vitriol. MgSO4 7H2O, gypsum. And H2SO4 is called as the king of acid. Next our is mixer. Mixer is again of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixers are those where composition throughout the mixer remains the same. पूरे मिक्सर के अंदर कंपोजिशन क्या रहेगी, एक जैसी रहेगी, चाहे हम उसके बॉटम से उस मटेरियल को लें या अपर पार्ट से. इन केस ऑफ हेट्रोजीनियस द कंपोजिशन विल बी डिफरेंट, दैट इज मिक्सर. Okay students, these are the classification of matter, physical classification and chemical classification we have discussed. Our next topic in this unit is properties of matter. There are mainly two types of the units which are present in the matter. First is fundamental unit, second is derived units. Fundamental, which are basic unit. By using these fundamental units we derive the units of some other quantities. These are called as the derived units by using the fundamental unit. These are very important 7 fundamental units, which are: first is temperature, mass, length, time, current, luminous intensity, amount of substance. Temperature, the fundamental unit of temperature is Kelvin. Mass is measured in kilogram. Length, meter. Time, second. Current, ampere. Luminous intensity, candela. And amount of the substance is measured in mole. As example of derived units, that is volume. Volume is length, breadth and height. These are multiplied. We can say that length cube. So unit of the length is meter, so it is meter cube. Density. Density is mass by volume. So unit of mass is kilogram and volume is meter cube. Force is mass into acceleration. Mass is kilogram, acceleration is meter per second square. Unit is, it is also equal to 1 Newton. And work is force into displacement. Unit of force is Newton and distance, that is meter. So our next topic is scientific notation. How you will notate the large quantity into scientific notation. It means the quantity in which several number of digits occur. Scientific notation means large decimal number into convert into the 10 raised to the power. इसके लिए there are the some rules. What are the rule? First rule, if we shift decimal toward the right. अगर हम डेसिमल पॉइंट्स को राइट साइड की तरफ अगर हमें शिफ्ट कराना, मीन्स इस साइड हमें शिफ्ट कराना है, वी सब्ट्रैक्ट द पावर. पावर मीन्स 10 की पावर में उतने ही हम क्या करेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. इसको एक एग्जांपल की हेल्प से लेट्स स्टडी 0.000003. देयर आर 1 2 3 4 5 and 6th digit is 3. So we can write it as like 0.3 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. If you want to remove this 0.3 also, then it is 3 into 10 raised to the power 6, because one digit is also shift from here towards the right side. So when we go towards the right side, yeah, we shift towards the right, then we subtract the power of 10. Second, if we shift decimal towards left, अगर हम इस साइड आएंगे, if we shift towards the left, then we add the powers. The example of this 2 0 0 0 0 0. These are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. It can be written as 2 into 10 to the power 8. Simply we can, इट मीन्स इसका फायदा हमें क्या हो रहा है कि हमें किसी भी क्वांटिटीज के अंदर इन जीरोस को काउंट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, फिर हम क्या करेंगे 10 टू द पावर 8 को रिमेंबर रख सकते हैं. और नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज 932.63 10 to the power 4. If we shift towards left, if we shift by 2 points, if it is 9.32, 2 points here, so we add the power 2 point, then it is 4 plus 2, it is 9.3263 is 10 to the power 6. Next example is 0.0046 into 10 to the power minus 4. If we shift towards the left, then we add power, and if we shift towards the right, then we subtract the power. If we are going, that is 0. It can be written as, if it is 0.46 into 10 to the power minus 4 already, then we shift 2 points towards the right, then subtract by 2, so it come out to be 0.46 into 10 to the power minus 6. And if we go towards the 4.6, it means we shift 3 points towards the right, so it will be 4.6 10 to the power minus 7. So a large quantity can be written in 10 to the power, it may subtract or it may add the power. If we shift toward the right, then subtract, and if we shift toward left, then add the power. Our next topic is significant figures. Significant figures क्या होते हैं? The figures in which almost all digits are certain. Fix होंगे सारे के सारे digit, but one digit may be doubtful digit. This type of the figures are called as the significant figure. So there are some rules to calculate the significant figures. These rules are including, first rule is all non-zero are significant figure. Means the digits which are except 0, these are significant. Example 4.345, digit are 1, 2, 3, 4. So significant figure are 4. Second rule is all zeros in between non-zero are significant. If 0 present between the non-zero, these are significant. Example 2.002. 2 0 are present between two non-zero digits. So significant figure are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Third rule is all zero before non-zero are not significant. वो जीरो जो क्या है नॉन जीरो से पहले प्रेजेंट है, these are not significant. Example is 0.004. 2 0 are present before non-zero, so significant figure is only 1. Fourth rule is all zero after non-zero are significant. Non-zero means 2.3. 3 is a non-zero digit. 2 0 are present, so these are significant. So total number of significant figure are 4. Fifth point is power are non-significant. If power are given 10 raised to the power something, if given, these are not significant. So significant figure are only 2, 2.3, 1 and 2. 2 significant figure is present in this quantity. If such things या quantities are given 6 chair, 5 pencils, then significant figures are infinite number of significant figures are present in them. So students, next our significant figure in case of addition, subtraction and multiplication as well as division. So let's start first case in case of addition and subtraction. When we add 1, 2 or more than 2 quantities, then significant figures are calculated according to the lowest places. The number in which points digits after the points are lowest, then significant figures are calculated according to this quantity. That is, example is 23.2. So after the point 1 digit is present, after point 2 digit, after point 3 digit, we add them and quantity come out to be this 290 point. Significant figure in this is 3. Point 1 is present, so it is after the which significant figure are 3. We can write it 29.0. So significant figure in this quantity are 3. In this, the main point is significant figure are calculated according to lowest places. Lowest places is 1. In this case, another example 47.04, 2.341. after point 2 digit, after point 3, after point 4 digit. So significant figure are calculated according to this. We have to only put 2 digit after the decimal. We have to put only 2 digit after the decimal. Decimal के बाद हमें सिर्फ 2 digit को रखना है, क्योंकि lowest places जो हैं these are 2. When we add them, quantity occurs is this. According to this quantity, 509.4. So 2 points after the decimal, so it is 50.94. It is 50.94. But last digit is 4 and after this is more than 5. It last digit is more than 5, so we add 1 in this, so it is 50.95 and number of significant figure in this are 4. राउंडिंग ऑफ किस तरह से करते हैं? राउंडिंग ऑफ इज 50.95. इसमें लिखा है इफ मोर देन 5, लास्ट डिजिट और उसके बाद क्या है 5 से ज्यादा कोई डिजिट आएगी, then we add 1, increase by 1. And if it is less than 5, then quantity, if it is there is 3, then it will remain same 50.94. And if it is equal to 5, अगर ये डिजिट 4 के बाद यहाँ पर 5 होता, फिर क्या करते? अगर ये इक्वल टू 5 है और उससे पहले इवन नंबर है, if it is 50.945, then it will remain same, it will remain same. And if it is odd number, then it is increased by 1. एक एग्जांपल से देखते हैं 5.671, 5.67, क्योंकि बाद में क्या 5 से कम था. यहाँ पर 5.635, यहाँ देखो लास्ट डिजिट क्या है 5 और उससे पहले क्या है एक ओड नंबर है, सो वी ऐड 1, सो इट कम आउट टू बी 5.64. And in this digit the last digit is 5, but before the 5 digit is even, so it will be 5.64. These are the rules for rounding off. In case of multiplication and division, if we multiply two quantity, then significant figures are calculated according to lowest number of significant figure. The lowest number in this present 2, so when we multiply it, so number of significant figure are 2. In this quantity is also number of significant figure are 2. So these are the some topics of first unit, some basic of concept of chemistry. Okay students, we will continue our this unit in the next lecture. Thank you.